Hello guys, I am here in the Laoti bridge to see the fishing fish. Look, here lot of fish are hanging over. Guys, look, they are becoming madness. Look, so many fish, guys. Look, this is the fish. Look, this is the netting technique for the fishing fish, guys. Look how Adivasi people are using different style for the catching fish. Look guys, lot of fish, guys. Look, and stones are very slippery, guys. My finger are becoming sore. Look how fish are hanging over in the net, guys. Look, so many colorful fish, guys, and this is called in our Bodo language naglaw. Look here also, look, so many colorful fish. Tomar raki phasi jal tu pisabo na ami loi jabo ha. Ki naam tor? Ki naam? Monty? Look guys, she know how to collecting fish with the net. Look guys, so many colorful fish, guys. Look guys, look, now time is over there now. That's why. Look, so many colorful and brown stone you will get to see, and these stones are very slippery, guys. Ki naam babu? Masara nai? Marise? How nai? Look, what the biggest stone, guys, and small stone also you will get, guys. Look, pami bodong nama. Look, they are catching eel fish in the water because this place looks like very underground place, guys. Look, so many broken stone you will get, guys, to see. Look, what a dangerous place, guys. Look, and so many big stone also you will get to see, and these old stones are very slippery, guys. Look what they have, guys. Look, anyway guys, thank you, till then, bye.